Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Jolimar B. Alejo, 28 years old, single from Butuan City, Philippines. I am a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I am also a licensed teacher. I have 2 sisters and I am the second of the family. I am a mother of 2 children, a boy age 13, a girl age 10. I already have 2 years experience here in the Philippines as a nanny or an household worker from January 2017 to January 2019. I am doing cooking, laundering, cleaning, and taking care of 3 children. The boy age 5 years old and a girl's age 1 and 4 years old. I have no tattoo and I don't drink. My message for my dear future employers: I will do my best to do my job. I will follow and listen to your do's and don'ts. I will assure to you that I am capable for this job and I will be honest in any circumstances. Thank you so much.